Welcome to science class. Block 6 LP2, separating solid mixtures by using traditional methods. Aim is to describe the principles and techniques involved in separating mixtures of solids by traditional methods. Keywords: handpicking, winnowing, threshing, sieving. Resources: 2 spoons each of wheat grain covered with husk, mixture of sugar and salt, any pulse with some stones, rice mixed with pieces of dry leaves or hay. S2, notebook, exceed content book. What did you predict for separating husk from wheat grain, salt from sugar, stones from pulse, dry pieces of leaves from rice? How can they be separated? We use different methods for separating different types of mixtures depending on the properties of the components. We can use threshing to separate husk from grain. We can use sieving to separate salt and sugar. Winnowing is used to separate dry leaves from rice, and hand picking is used to remove stones from pulses. What type of mixtures can be separated by hand picking? Why? What if there are more impurities? When do we use sieving for separating mixtures? Why do we use threshing to remove grains from dry plants and husk? What type of mixtures can be separated by winnowing? These are some questions which you have to think, like how we are going to separate such things. Hand picking is used when the impurities are in smaller quantity and can be easily picked by hand. For example, stones from pulses. Sieving is used if the size of the particles is different. Then only we can use sieving. The smaller particles pass through the sieve while the larger ones do not, as in the case of sugar and salt. In threshing, bundles of dry plants with grains are either beaten with sticks or hit on ground repeatedly to remove the grains from other parts of plants. Winnowing is used when lighter components have to be separated from heavier ones, as with husk and rice. The mixture is made to fall from a height. The lighter particles are blown away by the wind. How do we use these methods in daily life? We sieve flour to make roti. We use winnowing to remove light impurities from rice, pulses, wheat grain, and poha. Construction workers use sieving to separate sand from gravel while making houses. Farmers use threshing and winnowing to separate grains from husk. Gardeners handpick stones from gardens. Now, this is all about traditional methods of separating solid mixtures. After watching this video, you have to finish your S2, complete your notebook work, practice questions from 4 to 6 from the Exceed content book. Thank you for watching the video.